Hello and Merry Christmas. Now in the song The 12 Days of Christmas, the person receives more gifts for every day of the song. But it's not actually quite as simple as, say, on the 10th day the person gets 10 gifts. Because if you listen carefully, they get all the gifts they got on the 9th day plus 10 more. So, how many gifts in total do they receive? So, on the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree, one present. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me another partridge in a pear tree and 2 turtle doves. So we now have 3 presents given on the second day. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. We now have 6 presents given on the third day. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves and another partridge in a pear tree. So we now have 10 presents given on the fourth day, and so on. Now you can see each time we can form a triangle with the total number of gifts given on that particular day, and it turns out these are called the triangular numbers. Now to get the total number of gifts given overall, we need to add together the triangular numbers. So, for instance, the fourth day, the total number of gifts received are the 10 given on the actual fourth day itself. We need to add all the presents given on the third day, which was 6. We need to add all the presents given on the second day, which was 3. And then we need to add the present given on the very first day. And you can see we've formed a 3-sided triangular pyramid, or a tetrahedron. And it turns out the total number of gifts are a tetrahedral number. In this case, a total of 20 gifts up to the end of the fourth day. So on each particular day of the song, they get a triangular number of gifts. And the formula for triangular numbers is there on the screen now. So, there'll be a link in the video description, or if you've got annotations turned on, you can click on the formula here, and that'll take you to another video I've made where you can see how to actually work out that formula. And the total number of gifts overall is a tetrahedral number. And as before, there'll be a link in the video description, and if you've got annotations turned on, you can click on the link and it will take you to an explanation of how to work out that formula. We're now going to use our formula for triangular numbers and tetrahedral numbers to work out the total number of gifts received on the particular day and in total. So on day 1, 1 times 2 over 2 equals 1 gift, and the total 1 times 2 times 3 divided by 6 is also 1. On day 2, 2 times 3 divided by 2 equals 3 gifts given on that particular day. 2 times 3 times 4 divided by 6 equals 4, which is the total to date. And you can see that 1 plus 3 equals 4. On day 3, 3 times 4 divided by 2 equals 6 gifts given on that day. 3 times 4 times 5 divided by 6 equals 10 gifts given overall to date. On day 4, 4 times 5 divided by 2 equals 10 gifts given on that day. 4 times 5 times 6 divided by 6 equals 20 gifts given overall to date, which matches what we had when we first constructed that tetrahedron. And so on. And by the 12th day of Christmas, 12 times 13 divided by 2 equals 78 gifts given on that final day. 12 times 13 times 14 divided by 6 equals 364 gifts given overall. Now of course, what if this wasn't the 12 days of Christmas but the 20 or the 100 or maybe even the 365 days of Christmas? How many gifts will be given in total? Well, we can use the formula again and work this out just as before. But obviously the numbers grow quite enormously, and if it was 365, then on the last day we get 66,795 presents on that last day alone, totalling nearly 8.2 million. So over the 12 days of Christmas, the person gets 364 gifts, almost one for every day of the year. Although, I don't think I'd be able to keep the swans, at least not in the UK, because they're all owned by the Queen. And there's quite a lot of people I wouldn't be able to keep. And there's quite a lot of live poultry which I'm not sure I'd know what to do with. But I suppose 40 gold rings would be quite good. So, Merry Christmas.
And a partridge in a pear.